What is up? What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another day in the market. We are trading the S&P 500, trying to make some money, right? Uh, sir. All right, let's do a quick market recap now. So, what's happening in the market? What's up? What's going on? All right. So, yesterday we exactly followed the value area high setup, went down to TPO low, right? You can see we made a lower high, lower low. Yesterday was a yesterday was a high day for us. We made around $366 yesterday. All right, $366. Our total profit and loss is minus $40 for this account. Not the best winning percentage, but it's all right, I guess. And yeah, so we'll try to create this account with as much discipline as possible. The position sizing, the risk management has not been the best. For the last week has not been the best, but we have a lot of room for improvement, right? A lot of chances coming on. Now, let's do a quick market recap again before we decide to take a trade, right? So we are at POC, point of control of today's overnight session. So most of the volume traded was around this point. Let's mark this down real quick. Around this point. So this could be a big fulcrum point for us, right? Now, yesterday, where was the highest volume traded? Around this area, right? Around this area that made the price rotate a little bit. Came down, took this high, went down. So it acted as a rotation point, right? Now down here, same thing on this point. So we are in the middle of the range, we could say, right? Let's check this out for a little bit. All right. So just looking at this, you could tell. Yeah. Yeah. So if we look at 1 hour time frame, then we came up, made this resistance right around here, right? Came down. This point acted as a big support. So on hourly time frame, this is a bigger range, right? Now let's go to a more higher time frame. So if we look on a daily time frame, so this is what we're talking about, right? So as we expected, this acted as a support, so it should go up and take this high, right? Just looking at the price action. But if we look with volume, is there a different perspective that we can see? That's what we're trying to figure out, right? Let's do a volume profile, volume analysis. Volume profile is F3. All right, let's see from starting of this range till end of this range. So where's the value area high, value area low? Think this is the POC, this is the value area high. So the POC is to the upside, right? POC is in the upper half of this range. So that means this might reverse and take us higher, right? Because there's no volume that's supporting the downward movement, the downward accumulation. I mean, it could change now, but till now, what we see is trying to take it higher, right? Lower high, lower low. So even this says it's gonna go higher, and the only thing that says it's not gonna go higher is the level 2, which can obviously change after market open, right? So This is our pre-market analysis. Now we just gotta wait and watch. Wait and watch the fucking price. Wait and watch the footprint and stuff. You know. You know how it works. Know how it works. Sup, chat? Let me know if you got some questions. Yes, sir. We marked our ranges and everything, and now we're just waiting for market open. So we're chilling now. All right, market just opened, and right from the open, we can see a little bit of buyers intact, right? A little bit of buyers try to come in and immediately got absorbed right around this point. So there's a lot of possibilities right now, right? Now there's a lot of possibilities, so we're just gonna wait and watch. Let's see. Let's let the market breathe a little bit, all right? Let's let it do its thing. There's a lot of possibilities right now, right? Now there's a lot of yes, sir. Makes me wonder if the earning reports is trying to make it lower. You know what I'm saying? Could be the earning reports, right? Because they would want to make the market cheaper before the market goes up. Because I've seen Apple. What's tomorrow? What's tomorrow's earnings report? I think Apple, right? Let me double check. See the Apple or Tesla. So let's see. Tuesday, General Motors, Halliburton, and 3M plus Novartis and Lockheed Martin. The market is Alphabet, Tesla, and Philips Morris, along with IBM, ServiceNow, Texas Instruments, and AT&T. Alphabet and Tesla report after the close. So tomorrow after the close, Google and Tesla they're gonna report their earnings. So this might be a reason for the market to be going down because obviously they would want to make it cheaper so that they can buy more and stuff. But I don't know. You can never be 100% right in the market, right? I just see what's happening and let's take my trades. I don't want to be a fucking economist or something, Just want to make some money and bounce the fuck out. All right, little bit of sellers coming in. After a little bit of buyers, these sellers got absorbed. Just a tiny bit, not much. This is a false signal. Damn. Says 105 lots of buying trades, but it doesn't show up on the footprint charts. So could be a false signal, right? uh let's look at this TPO chart. Let's look at this TPO. Are we at the value area high? Yeah, so I think I might take a short, right? I might take a short. Short entry from here.
Order filled.
Join ask.
Order filled.
Come on. Come on.
Order filled.
Alright. 13 points. So I'm risking $200. Nah, that's too much. Let's do a quick join bid. $200 is too much, my friend. Mi amigo.
Order filled.
Let's do how much? Almost $100. Alright, that's alright. $100. Oh, so we're risking 10 points to make potentially 25. Let's see. Let's see the TPO low and the support. 74, 74. 74, 74. That's too low. I don't think we can make it that low. TPO value area low. TPO value area low. And where's the volume value area low? Volume value area low right here. So let's see if we can take out TPO value area low. 74.95. 74.95. Alright, it's around 21 points. Risking 10 points to make 21 points. Not bad. Still 1:2. So we can make easily 100 something bucks. Oh, I mean 200 bucks. Risking 100. So that's all good. Looking at the price action, it looks like it's gonna go up, but let's look at the volume profile, man. Yesterday, day before yesterday, it's been balanced. And right around this area, we see multiple rejections, multiple. So makes sense to take it lower, right? Tried multiple times, but failed. So I think it can go down to here still, right? Still, I think it can go down to here, but I think I'll take one off around this point and then let it just run, right? I think that's a better, it's better in my opinion. Sir, let's get it. Let's get it. It's coming down. It's coming down. Still sellers intact. A lot of sellers actually. And as it goes down, more volume is coming in, right? So it's a good ass trade, as we can tell. But why did market go down? What's the reason? There's always a reason for this kind of moves, right? Either it goes up or goes down, there's always a reason behind it. So what was the reason for market to go down? What was the trigger for the market to go down? Is it the earning report? Is it the inflation data? Is it Kevin Waltz trying to talk? A whole bunch of things. You gotta look at Bloomberg news and everything to better understand what I'm saying, right? So, let's go to this news section. Where's the news section? Community Trader Hub. Moo imbalance. S&P 500 plus 16 minute and Nasdaq 101 plus 5 minute. Minus 23 min. What's this? I don't understand this. Anyway, so we're intact in profit and a little bit of volume drying down, but still buyers, aggressive buyers, they're pretty weak. Still, see a lot of selling imbalance actually. Selling imbalance to a point that it can take the market lower, right? Selling imbalance which is being respected right now. So that means we're good. We're good in this short. Might take it a little lower and take one off and just let it run, right? So that I don't have to keep on looking at this market because man, it's not fun to just look at the charts. I mean, it is necessary, it is essential to look at the charts and develop a patient habit, but sometimes you just gotta take one off and let it run, right? That's how you make the maximum profit. Just like yesterday, we made $100, let it run, made 200 extra bucks, $200 extra. So just gotta let it run sometimes. And as you're watching it, there's a even higher chance that you're gonna close the trade. So if you just let it run, either it's gonna stop you out, put it at break even. So even if you get stopped out, you get stopped out at break even, or either it's gonna hit your profit target, right? So pretty simple stuff, nothing complicated. Now we are just seeing some kind of a rotation at this point, so we can just you know take it lower. Bombaclad. Run value area low. Run value area low. Bombaclad. Let's see. Hey. I'm enjoying your streams and would love to join the community. Add me on Discord so we can chat more. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. I'll definitely add you on Discord. Like all right, market is just hanging around a little bit, just trying to see what it can do or something, you know. I mean, still, but We got some buyers at the top that got absorbed a little bit, right? So we might see some downward momentum to the downside, right? Let's just wait and watch.